So we hurry up and buy the investment and then we hurry up and sell it, because we buy and panic because we see everybody else making money and we're not making money. And then when we own the investment, we panic and sell because it turned on us. How about, we think that do your research first, do your due diligence before you buy, understand what you're buying, what are you putting your money in, so that when the volatility comes, the ups and downs, you can expect it, and so you don't have to panic and sell. The reason you panic and buy is because you're late to the game. So how about being early to the game? Especially with real estate, we're talking about it. You're early to the game if you're going now. But that means you won't have to panic and sell because you did your due diligence and you went in early. So now you're able to ride those waves because your entry point was favorable. I want us to really understand the difference that doing your due diligence and entering an investment at the right time makes for when you want to make profit. It's Profit Jumpstarter for a reason, because I teach you guys exactly what to do profitable investment strategies. So the panic thing don't work. The due diligence works. And the holding for the long term works. That is the blueprint. That is the framework